Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious cheese and ham sandwich. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your preferred bread, perhaps a hearty sourdough or a soft white. Next, grab about 2 ounces of your favorite deli ham, typically 1 or 2 slices. Don't forget 1 slice of cheese, around 1 ounce, like a sharp cheddar or creamy provolone. Finally, have any desired condiments ready, such as a dollop of mayonnaise or a spread of mustard. Now, let's assemble our masterpiece. Begin by laying your 2 slices of bread flat on a clean cutting board or plate. If you're using condiments, spread a thin, even layer of mayonnaise or mustard on the inside of 1 or both bread slices. Next, carefully place your 1 or 2 slices of ham, totaling about 2 ounces, onto 1 piece of bread. Then, gently lay your 1-ounce slice of cheese directly on top of the ham. For an extra special touch, let's grill our sandwich to perfection. First, heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. While the pan warms, lightly butter the outside of both bread slices. This creates a wonderfully crispy crust. Carefully place your assembled sandwich into the warm pan. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until the bread is a beautiful golden brown and the cheese is delightfully melted. Your delicious cheese and ham sandwich is now ready. Carefully remove the hot sandwich from the pan and place it on a cutting board. Allow it to cool for about 1 minute. This helps the cheese set slightly. For a classic and appealing presentation, cut the sandwich diagonally from corner to corner. Serve your warm, gooey sandwich immediately with a side of chips, a pickle, or a fresh salad. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.